AWS Serverless Application Repository. So Amazon Lambda, if you're not aware, and the whole serverless movement, this is where what we're trying to do is understand that we just need the kernel, i.e. something that will run compute power over machine code. We need a kernel effectively. We're not really bothered about the operating system and is it patched and all of this good stuff. We just need to be able to run machine code for a particular service effectively. So serverless technology in Amazon Lambda is all big business at the moment. It's about writing code that can just have a kernel that runs and it can stop and start depending on the command. So this is going to be very big business and continues to be big business, and it was just interesting to see that we are effectively creating an application repository. So as people build their own Lambda functions, if it's a Lambda function to fire off to manage IoT devices or return a timestamp back to a central login utility or something like that, what Amazon are doing, and quite smartly, is allowing people to publish their Lambda code so that other people can build, adapt, modify, and again just creates the whole never-ending evolution of technology as well. So to me, the serverless Lambda application repository, I think, is very, very smart. It's a way of people sharing this wonderful tech, and that's what I love about Amazon. They're so committed to efficiency. They're so committed to making good products. They're not really bothered that serverless technology effectively reduces their compute power need and therefore probably the money that they're going to get from you. Amazon are all about making the best and most efficient technology, and I think they should be applauded for that.